Hello students, welcome to computer class. As we have read the chapter How Does a Computer Work? Chapter number 3. Today we will do the back exercise of this chapter. Okay? First question in your back exercise is select the correct option to fill in the blanks. First blank is the data that we enter into the computer is known as dash. So answer is input. The data we enter into the computer is known as input. Second question is dash is the result given by a computer. The result given by computer is called output. Output is the result given by a computer. Next is input for a mango shake. If we want to make a mango shake, what things we need? First blank mango, second blank milk, and third blank sugar. Next is we enter dash into the computer. What do we enter in the computer? Data and instructions. Question 5. Data can be dash, dash and words and dash. First blank letters. Data can be letters, numbers, words and pictures. 3 blanks are given. You will write letters, numbers, words and pictures. Next question is select the true and false. You will write true or false. First statement is data typed into a computer is called output. The data we type into the computer is input, not output. So here they have said data typed into a computer is output. So it is false. You will write false. Next is a computer is a machine. So this is true. So right answer is true. Next is when a computer works on data, it is called processing. So this is right. When a computer works on data to find out result, to find out output, it is called processing. Next is we get input from the computer. No, this is wrong. We get output from the computer. So select false. This is false statement. Next is which part of a computer does all the calculation? So all the calculations are done by CPU. So right answer is CPU. Next, question number 2. What are the data and instructions together known as? Data and instructions that we give to computer is called input. Next is which part of a computer work like a human brain? So what is brain of computer? CPU. So right answer is CPU. Next are question answer. Answer the following. Mention the 3-step process on which a computer works. The 3-step process on which a computer works is input, process, output. Next, which part of a computer works on data to give the output? Which part of the computer works on data that we enter into the computer? Brain of computer, right? And what is the brain of computer? CPU. Next, question number 3. Name the term used for the final result that we get after processing. When we enter the data and instruction into the computer, it processes it. Afterwards, what it gives us? Output. So, answer is output. Question number 4 is, which part of the computer displays the output? Where do we see the output? Answer is on monitor. Question number 5. Name a device that is used to enter data into a computer. Right? So, how do we enter data into the computer? Through keyboard. So, keyboard is input device. Answer is keyboard.